Welcome to Ballseye! The tournament where your nutsack begins to hurt. Be you all seeded number 2? Trent! Shut up. Seeded number 3, because he sucks, and Trevor beat in the first round. And the GOAT, seeded number 1.
He's holding his nose.
First round bye. Winner of the game gets to face off against the GOAT because I won the first round of Ballseye.
No, you didn't.
And the last place, person in last place, what do they have to do? Eat a tablespoon of jalapenos.
No.
Yeah.
I never agreed to that.
Yeah.
I'll lick a 9-volt.
Let's get ready to rumble! I thought they were gonna hit me. I knew it, you bastard. All right, let's go.
Such a heavy ball.
For a refresher of the rules, if you get hit in the nutsack 3 times, then you lose the game. That's it. Let's go.
Oh, thank God. Let's not use that anymore.
Oh, that was a little bit out of my. I'm inaccurate.
That's bang! 1-0 B-Wall! Trash.
Oh, that was trash. Trevor's trying not to laugh. Oh, you moved! That's
No,
a
it bounced.
Penalty!
Okay, Mr. One Seed. Yeah, you get to be the ref too.
I wish.
It's so serious.
Beam him.
This guy.
Go. Ballseye! 1-1. Mullet Man gains a point.
You got me in my lefty.
He's a gentleman.
Not fun.
Ooh, questionable penalty.
That hit. That's a ball.
Oh, Ballseye! B-Wall 2-1.
Oh.
Get what? Get out of here with that red ball.
Go ahead.
Oh, they sucked. Missed the bullseye. I missed the bullseye. Bullseye! Is that 2-2? Yeah. 2-2. Gotta win by 2 though. Welcome to the Quarantine Olympics.
Whoa.
He's over here flinching now.
I thought he was gonna throw it at me because he's taking so long. Oh!
That's close.
You moved that.
Penalty shot.
Yeah.
Controversial.
Controversial.
Let's go to the tape.
Yeah.
All right. After going to the video, no penalty. Waved it off.
Ooh, that was a close one.
Didn't hit his balls though.
Little tiny target.
Not the story you tell everyone.
Oh, God, he's controversial.
That's a penalty shot. I'll give you that.
Penalty shot! Wait. Let me get the angle.
I gotta close my eyes. Come on. That was a bullseye. That was a ball.
Did he hit it?
Yeah.
I missed it. Didn't count.
Didn't count.
I missed it.
I still hit it.
Well, he also missed one of mine.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Ooh.
That's a terrible shot.
Overshoot it. Undershoot it.
I'm gonna hit you this time.
Oh, you were wrong. Oh! Ballseye! 3-2. Dubs.
No. You gotta win by 2.
I thought we said no about that.
I don't want to lose.
He doesn't want to eat jalapeno peppers.
That's the only reason I'm shooting as good as I am.
Still hurts.
All right, let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a
Ooh,
penalty shot.
penalty shot. No need. Wait. Gotta get the angle.
Just look at him. I just sat up. He's leaning forward.
You can't lean forward.
No,
He's
you're
leaning
look at your
forward.
chair.
Move your arm.
It's on
I gotta
the
get the
ground.
angle, bud.
It's on the ground. There you go.
Here it is. Oh, you suck.
Hey Trevor, can you get a shot of this? This is what happens to me whenever you guys play Ballseye.
Oh yeah. Pause. We got it. Well, no, it's kind of like a vlog today, so.
Look.
Oh, Angry Orchard already?
Yeah.
The time. Jesus Christ. Game on!
It's 3 o'clock. Queen. Oh. Ooh.
Ooh.
That's a good. Come on, is that a good shot? That's 3-3.
Ballseye?
Yeah.
Ballseye! 3-3 of you all the moment.
Woo.
Ooh.
Hit the board first.
I wonder if this is the next one.
Yeah, boy. Oh.
You have to talk to Britt. Go talk to Brittany.
Ballseye! Jalapeno peppers!
No, I didn't win by 2. I win by 2.
Are we playing that?
4-3.
Oh my god.
Oh my God, it hurts.
Tell us about the pain.
Feels great.
Oh, look at that hog.
They're shriveled up. They're turtle heading.
Oh, Ballseye! Jalapeno peppers! And shriveled nutsack! Championship round! Giver! Okay, championship rounds. Number 1 seed, Trevor Walden. Number 2 seed, Trent Walden.
AKA Walden. Ready?
Oh. Ooh. Okay, this is away now?
Yeah, that thing is done.
Okay, bye, heavy ball.
I'll lean forward in my chair like that so you can see.
Oh!
Close.
You don't have to just get my nutsack.
I don't have a zoom.
I don't have a zoom.
Trevor's throw.
Grabby show.
Oh! Scrap. Move your hand. Your hand is literally sitting on the board.
It's on the board, guy. Instruction.
Yeah, so it does not move.
Okay, whatever.
Is it gonna obstruct you if my hands are
It's
here?
obstruct my vision. Move your
Obstruction.
damn hand. Look where mine are at.
Trevor, it's because you have small balls.
Oh!
You know, you're not gonna
I
say
changed
he
both
is.
of you guys.
That was a bullseye.
I fear no man.
You only fear the epi. Yeah, this is how yours looks, Trevor.
Okay.
That's how yours is.
Here you go.
You're not gonna bitch about mine.
Just because you're inaccurate doesn't mean you make the line. Can't make nothing.
1 for Trevor.
0 for Trent.
What is this doing?
Ryan, did she tell you a protocol for when she shows up?
No.
You said.
Can you write the duck in on there?
I mean, I don't know what you want me to do differently.
Get the hole, lady on.
My Sharpie.
Bam!
Oh, that's bullseye number 2.
Oh! Oh!
That's a penalty.
No, what? It's a bullseye.
Okay, I'll take a bullseye.
Okay, yep, bullseye. Bullseye!
2-1. Oh. We're gonna start arcing them. I'm gonna hit you right in the dong.
Open this window so that we can tell
We suck.
Oh, hit me in the wiener head. That's a bullseye.
Ryan, did you already pay?
Yeah.
Okay, and you already tipped?
Yep.
Okay, good. Okay, so then we can just set.
2-2. Got to win by 2.
You're lifting.
You almost got him in the meat pockets.
I watched it hit.
Oh, zinger. That was a smooth shot, dude. That was nothing but nut.
Right in my balls.
Nothing. Nothing but nutsack. How's it feel,
Oh my
bud?
god.
Hey, how's it feel? Hopefully for his girlfriend it'll swell.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it hurts so bad right now.
She's here.
Oh. It's so scary after you get hit, dude.
Ooh, that was so close.
Ballseye, dude. Which is so fast.
Thank you, dear.
Oh.
We're gonna fight about this.
Oh, that's a bullseye.
3-3.
Nothing but nutsack.
God.
Oh.
Hey, can we put the duck on there? Wow.
Shout out at Duck Inn Cafe.
Shout
on
out
Instagram.
at Duck Inn Cafe.
God, this is so hard.
Mama Crystal, she put. And cheese sliders, or whatever they were called.
No, those are. Oh, that's a bullseye. Say it. It's bullseye. Trent. Bullseye. All right, 4-2 Trent, or 4-3 Trent. This is the winning
so
shot.
bad.
Oh, you're so scared and jumpy. Ooh,
One more.
the losers are getting
Or it
jalapenos.
should be loser versus loser.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Double elimination for the jalapenos.
Wow.
That's close. Trevor's zooming in. He's honing in on his target here.
Oh. So guess who's out of the running for
The new
Chili's?
champion! The new champion!
Oh my god.
What do you
who's out
think,
of the
number 2
running?
seed?
Number 1 seed.
No, no,
you're number 2, bitch.
Now you're number 2.
Hey, B-Wall. Number 2 seed, Mr. Sucks Nuts. Number 3 seed, Mr. Gets Hit in the Nuts.
Mr. Both you guys came from my nuts.
Who's throwing first? Wait, no, the bigger ball. You can't forget it.
God, that was dead on.
Okay, wait. There you go.
This is not gonna be fun. Okay, fine. You want to play dirty? No. Yeah. Hey, I'm quit rocking. This is a moving target game. A penalty shot. I'm gonna fucking.
Go, damn it.
Okay, put this away. It's so heavy. Oh, that's a penalty shot.
Dude, come on.
Come on, guy.
I'm so flinchy. Oh my god.
That's like an automatic knockout ball, dude. Right before
He likes to do that.
That was insane. Got one.
Move your hand, guy.
I got him.
Move your hand. Move your hands. Don't even bring them back.
He's just gonna try to throw it at me.
Yeah, it's kind of the point of the game.
I'm under the cardboard.
Where'd he go?
You ready? Leper.
I'm gonna start giving out some penalty shots for Trevor's flinchiness.
Whatever. Yeah.
He thinks he makes all the rules over here being a ref during our game.
Oh, that was close. That's a winner, chicken dinner.
I don't think you guys
I don't think you guys got your ball set in the right spot, because every time I get hit, it hurts.
Oh no, I got my phone there.
Oh, wow.
Elimination, where to come?
I was just kidding. My balls were still available. Oh my god, my balls so
Should I be making these less than like 3-minute clips?
What?
Should I be making these less than 3-minute clips?
Oh!
Oh my god, I don't know if I can play this game anymore.
You can always forfeit.
I can't.
I got red the dick.
The head.
Oh, I'm sweating because it hurts.
Oh my god. You're gonna be sweating from those peppers too.
No, he's getting the peppers. It's 2-1, right?
Yeah, 2-1 me.
Okay.
It hurts so
That one's a good one.
Doesn't it hurt? Different. It just hit different.
Alright, here we go.
How is he so good? He sucked against me.
I've been hitting you in the nuts your whole life.
Is that Ballseye?
That's a freaking Ballseye. 3.
Ballseye!
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 Ballseye! That's a good one. That's a good one.
Ballseye?
That's a ballseye.
Ballseye! 3-3. It's still tied.
Oh shit! That means one of us gotta get hit 2 more times at least.
That's a penalty. That's a money shot. That's a Ballseye.
No, you say it's a penalty. You get a penalty. Oh my god. No. Penalty shot.
I didn't do that.
You zinged the green one.
No, I didn't.
Oh, you lucky.
That's a good one.
4-3, baby.
Don't you be throwing that.
No, I don't trust him. No, this is not okay. The announcer can't be on his side.
I'm not. I just have it.
Okay, don't throw it at him. Move your hand. Oh. What? You threw the red one back.
I know. Oh!
Ballseye? That's a Ballseye.
Ballseye! 5-3.
Jalapeno! How you doing, Juan Carlo?
Jalapeno and swallow nuts.
All right, B-Wall. Tablespoon of sliced jalapeno.
I'm not eating a whole tablespoon.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, you are.
I might have a heart attack, dude.
No, you won't. That's not a tablespoon. That's a spoon. Well, not a
You're an idiot.
What?
I'm not using that.
Yeah, you are. That's gonna be more.
No, it's not.
Yes,
This is
it
a
is.
teaspoon.
What's a teaspoon?
Mom, we need a tablespoon.
There's a tablespoon and a teaspoon. That's a freaking just a spoon.
That's a tablespoon.
Yeah. There you
No.
Yes. We said
We're
tablespoon.
going with this.
No.
It's a quarter of a teaspoon.
Can't
guy.
cheat
Come
the
on.
followers.
I got hit in the nuts.
like 8
Do
times.
3/4
9
of a
times
teaspoon at
today.
least. 3/4 of a
Hey,
teaspoon.
Phil, shut your mouth and do it.
Oh.
No, half. 3/4. That's the least you can go. It's 3/4.
There you go. Okay, we'll give you 3/4.
Wow, Trent, you're so nice.
Okay, crack your own misery here.
This is gonna be. I need milk. You better pour me some milk. I'm probably gonna throw up.
No, you're not.
You guys can have whatever's left in the jug.
Well, at least you don't have to go to work for a couple days.
Your butthole's gonna be on fire. That's not full.
It's full enough.
You know it's not. You
You know how hot
cheat.
that is?
You're a cheat. Mommy's dying. We're gonna do it. There we go. Yeah. Yeah.
It's open.
All right,
For
ready?
you to drink whatever's
There's
left.
not enough.
That's all there is. You gotta swallow it. Show us. You gotta show us. Ah. Show us the ah. Show it. You loser.
Oh my god. Okay, don't get on your shirt.
Oh my. Okay, that's really hot. I need more. I need more milk.
The graduate. Run, B-Wall. Your work. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I was really hoping Trevor would get it.
My lips are on fire.
Alright. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. Definitely share this video like his workout one. Walden Bros.store, baby.